Dakota Johnson is putting rumors of a split with Chris Martin to rest, as she was recently spotted in Malibu with friends, proudly displaying her emerald green engagement ring. This sighting comes amid speculation about the status of her relationship with the Coldplay frontman. Despite recent reports suggesting their romance might be over, a representative confirmed to News in August that Dakota and Chris are still together. On August 16th, it was confirmed that the rumors of Dakota Johnson and Chris Martin's split are false, with a representative stating that the couple remains happily together. Their romance first made headlines in 2017 when Dakota was spotted at one of Chris's concerts, and they officially confirmed their relationship the following year by holding hands at a Stella McCartney fashion event in Hollywood. Although the couple hasn't been seen together recently, Chris has been overseas on tour for the past 5 months. They had actually gotten engaged privately some time ago. Chris had previously been married to Gwyneth Paltrow, with whom he shares 2 20-year-old children. Chris Martin and Gwyneth Paltrow, who were married for a decade before their separation in 2014, have a daughter, Apple, and a son, Moses, who were 18 at the time. Gwyneth, who famously described their split as a conscious uncoupling, has been openly supportive of Chris' relationship with Dakota Johnson. In a 2019 interview with Harper's Bazaar, Gwyneth expressed her admiration for Dakota, saying, "I love her. I can see how it might seem unconventional, but having moved through it, I think it's great." Gwyneth Paltrow has expressed her admiration for Dakota Johnson, noting that despite the unconventional nature of their relationship, she genuinely adores her. In a 2021 interview, Dakota shared a glimpse into their private life, revealing, "We do go out occasionally, but since we both work so much, we really enjoy staying at home and being cozy. Most of our socializing happens within the comfort of our home."